Hi guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. So in this lesson, we are going to learn about sum and any. Sum refers to the limited and unspecified number or amount of a particular entity. In a sentence, we mean a few peoples or things, but not all the people or things. Any in the negative form means zero, but in a question form, any signifies the quantity of a noun, but not in exact terms. Let's start with the general rules to help you decide which one to use. So, we use some with plural or uncountable nouns in a positive sentence, and we use any for questions and negative sentences. I have some questions. I don't have any questions. Do you have any questions? He wants some sugar. He doesn't want any sugar. Does he want any sugar? So that's pretty simple, right? There are some clear rules there, but like many things in English, there are several exceptions to this rule as well. Any in a positive sentences. She never eats any fruit. A few minutes ago, I said that any is used in negative sentences, right? But why here is any with a positive sentence? We can use any in a positive sentence if the sentence has a negative feeling. A positive sentence that have a negative feeling usually have words like hardly, never, rarely, or without in them. We hardly watch any television. Yuna left the house without any money. Any also can be used in a positive sentence and commonly with a singular noun as a way to say it is not important which one. Pass me any cake. Which cake? I don't care, just pass me any cake. I'm hungry. You can take any bus. It doesn't matter which bus you take. It is not important. You can take any of them. Now let's move on to the second exception. Would you like some sugar in your coffee? Some can be used in questions if you are offering, suggesting something, or asking, requesting for something, by thinking that the answer is yes. Here, I'm asking you, but I know probably you want sugar in your coffee. Now, if I said, would you like any sugar in your coffee? This is a real question. I'm asking because I actually don't really know that you want sugar in your coffee or not. You also can use some and any in a sentence without a noun if the meaning is clear. I didn't eat any salad, but Jake had some. Minnie took a lot of photos of the mountains, but Harry didn't take any. Right, that's it for today's lesson. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and connect with me on all of my social media. See you next time. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.